He claps the crag with a crooked hand, clothed the sun in lonely land, rent with the azure world he stands. The wrinkled sea beneath him crawls, he watches from his mountain walls, and like a thunderbolt he falls. The wrinkled sea beneath him crawls, he watched from his mountain walls, and like thunderbolt he falls. He claps the crag with crooked hands, clothes the sun in lonely lands, rent away the azure world he stands. The wrinkled sea beneath him crawls, he watches from his mountain walls, and like thunderbolt he falls. The wrinkled sea beneath him crawls, he watches from his mountain wall, and